The little girl that I worked with today, she's here and she's here. Now I've mentioned more than enough, you should never see a nose of a baby go beyond the pubic bone. If I want to do this, I would really be doing this. My nose and my pubic bone start going, in a sense, same, but the counter is here. Everything I'm doing is starting to counter, right? It's just like a liquid. I should not be in a position where, again, someone said to me yesterday, oh, I'm so excited, she finally did this. This is not rolling. See, I'd get stuck. And in this kind of position, this is where you're now saying, get your arm out, get your arm out. Doesn't work that way. Again, I would be seeing someone like Betsy and see my stuff's free, right? And now, again, everything's free so I can play. This is where, again, you start hearing my pubic bone strike, but now the counter starts happening in these positions. You will not see a plank. Please don't let whether you do movement lesson or not, I can't tell you enough. Head control or planking when the baby gets stronger. In this position, now I can plank, right? I can go here or I can plank like this. I'm probably up to about a minute now where I could plank. Guess what? I can't do anything else. And I barely have vision. And I'm going to start losing my voice because I'm going to be concentrating on the amount of energy it needs to do this. But I can't transition in and out of it. I can't suddenly jump up unless I'm doing PX 90. And again, that's not what seniors need either, right? They don't need this core muscle strength. They need core movement. So when I'm here, right, now I can still, in this position, get right up. And I can get right down. But my hands are free, right? So when I go to roll over, my diaphragm is more like a big foot. And so you should see that roll, and it comes over, and at the same time, see how my momentum is the same. See how when I roll, it's all the same. This is why you shouldn't get dizzy. Although I had a lot of coffee this morning, so my tummy is a bit. But again, I'm here, I'm playing. Oh, I see the dog. Oh, I'm here. Oh, I see the ball, and I'm back again. It all looks the same. I should not be. Now I've already lost the dog. And now I'm here, and I'm stretching, and I'm trying, and this is where parents start saying, come on, you can do it. Work a little harder. Babies should not be working. I can't see you when I'm in this position, and this is where things like dystonia start developing. Remember, babies are not born with dystonia. They develop it around 8 months, and especially because they get here, and all of a sudden they can't do it, and then they don't want to fall down because they're getting bigger, and they go like this, and you start seeing that. And then someone will start telling you, oh, those are overactive reflexes. No, it's not. So when they come here, and again, I'm here. Do you see again? Now with that, I can roll really well, right? And then I'm here, and then I'm like, oh, and I can stop playing. So same thing here. If I'm getting, and what they're doing is they're over. They've fallen out of tummy time. But when they've fallen like this, now again, they're stuck. And then I call them snow angels, you know what I mean? They're like this, and it's almost like someone's got a foot, I hate to say it, right here on their chest, because again, they're not in a position to roll around again. These are the things that you're looking for, very much like vision. You're looking for a nice, smooth interaction, a tempo. Going to the right and going to the left should be equal. You should not be saying, oh, but my baby prefers to only go to the right, or my baby doesn't like to be in tummy time. Again, not having that good organization through core movements, then you start getting this. Because you just put them in tummy time. They didn't get there themselves. I'm not saying a baby originally in tummy time should be like this when they're in infancy. And that's when the crawling starts. Just like that. if they've been swaddled too much or been in the NICU too much. There's lots of things that can interrupt developmental milestones. I can't stress enough, your baby should be rolling over by about 2.5 to 3 months. Period, the end. I get it, some babies might not roll over to 7 months. I'm not waiting for your baby to hopefully be getting it versus being successful. The best gift you can give your baby is movement. So you're looking for a nice quality, a nice smooth. You're looking for the same. In other words, my momentum to go to my left or right is the same as going here. I should be able to keep my eye on the prize. Where I'm here, oh, hi, mommy. And I'm here, hi, mommy. Not a back arch. See again, see where my hand is going? You don't want to see counter oppositional movements or extremity movements, meaning I'm trying to throw a foot, and because that's where you get stuck. And the hand should always be free. Those are qualities that you're looking for with rolling over.